everyone, welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. Here in this video I'm going to show you how to create your first web page using HTML basics. I'd already created a blank HTML web page and saved it. Let's get started with the coding. The first thing I will do is type this doctype HTML tag. This tag tells the web browser that this web page was created using HTML markup language. Following this, we'll add the HTML tag itself. Inside this HTML tag, we'll add the three sections of a web page, that is the head, body, and the footer. Let's get started with adding the head. Inside the head, a number of things are added. The title, which will appear on the title bar of the web browser, as well as a style sheet and links to a number of external libraries. Let's get started with adding a title. For style sheet, I will do it in the next tutorial. For style sheet, I want you to check the next tutorial, part 2 of this video. Let's proceed with adding the body. Inside the body, we will design the web page. I will show you here how you can create the 6 heading elements of HTML, heading 1 to heading 6. Shortly after running this demo, you will see the difference between the different headings. Likewise, we'll add the heading 6. Next, I want to show you how you can add a paragraph element. This is a tag for paragraph. Then I want to show you how you can add an ordered list and ordered listers. Let's do that. Alright, 3 is enough. To create the order list, I will copy this one and make a slight adjustment to it. Replace this one with OL. Likewise, the top one. Finally, I want to show you how you can add an image to your web page. The tag for image is img source. Within the quotes, you need to provide a path to the image. In my case, it's stored in the same folder. Had you stored it in a separate folder, you need to provide the full path. Let's run this and see how the web page looks like. As I told you earlier, the title is not part of the web page. It has appeared on the browser title bar. Then we have the 6 heading elements. If you had noticed it, this is the size different. Then finally the paragraph and the lists, bullet point, and the number 1, as well as the image. This web page look nicer with a style sheet. I have prepared tutorial part 2 of this video. Check that out. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more, click on subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.